Welcome to Sports Bus, your weekly dose of sports news and updates. From the playing fields to the finish lines, we've got you covered. I'm your host Rukmini and we're about to kick off the action. Let's go through the headlines first. Triple gold rush. Kerala athletes dominate World Athletics Continental Tour bronze meet event. Kerala's trampoline, tumbling and acrobatic gymnasts deliver outstanding performance, win 13 medals including 7 golds in nationals. Netball fever in Kerala. Thrissur and Ernakulam shine in state championship. Kerala girls water polo team makes it 3 in a row, wins national championship. News in detail. The World Athletics Continental Tour bronze meet held at the Kalinga Stadium in Odisha witnessed a remarkable performance by Kerala athletes who bagged a total of 7 medals, including 3 gold medals. Murali Srishankar won gold in the men's long jump event with a jump of 8.13 meters, surpassing his teammate Shahnawaz Khan's challenge of 8.04 meters in his last attempt. This was Srishankar's third consecutive international gold medal. Abdullah Abubakar claimed gold in the men's triple jump event with a jump of 16.53 meters, dominating the competition from the start. Karthik Unnikrishnan won the silver medal with a jump of 16.42 meters in the same event. P. Mohammad Afzal won gold in the men's 800-meter race with a timing of 1 minute 46.60 seconds, dedicating his win to his recent marriage. Other notable performances include Amod Jacob claiming silver in the men's 400-meter race with a timing of 45.86 seconds, finishing behind Vishal TK of Trivandrum, Sai LNCPE. Sandra Babu won bronze in the women's long jump event with a jump of 6.10 meters, and C. Anjali bagged bronze in the women's 100-meter hurdles with a timing of 14 seconds. Kerala's gymnasts delivered an outstanding performance at the Trampoline and Tumbling and Acrobatic Gymnastics National Championship 2025 held in Dehradun, Uttarakhand. The team won a total of 13 medals, including 7 gold, 2 silver and 4 bronze. Kerala's gymnasts delivered an impressive performance at the national championships, winning multiple medals in trampoline, tumbling and acrobatics gymnastics events. Akamsha won silver in the individual trampoline mini category girls and gold in the team championship with Isha, Jolin and Anandita. Adding success, Dhruv claimed silver in the trampoline boys individual mini category. Ananya won bronze medal in the junior girls individual trampoline, while Vaishak claimed gold in the junior boys category. Anvita Sachin won bronze in the senior girls individual trampoline and gold in the mixed double combined trampoline and tumbling with Ashwin K and Mohammad Nibrasul Haq. Mohammad Nibrasul Haq also dominated the senior men individual tumbling event, winning gold. The men's tumbling team comprising Mohammad Nibrasul Haq, Anup, Mohammad Nafeed and Sanju Krishna added another gold to Kerala's tally. In acrobatic gymnastics, Lakshmi and Paurnami claimed bronze in the women's pair event, while Atul Chandra PR and Mohammad Basil KP won bronze in the men's pair event. With these impressive wins, Kerala's gymnasts have once again proven that their mettle on the national stage, bringing glory to the state and inspiring others with their achievements. Thrissur shines bright in the state senior men's and mixed fast 5 netball championship. The championship held at Tundathil School in Thiruvananthapuram saw an incredible display of skill and sportsmanship from 14 districts across Kerala. In the women's final, Thrissur emerged victorious, defeating Ernakulam 29-25, but the men from Ernakulam made a strong comeback, taking down Thrissur 35-30 in the men's final. However, Thrissur's real triumph came in the mixed netball championship, where they defeated Malappuram 18-14 in the final, securing the championship title. Kazhakottam MLA Kadangapalli Surendran inaugurated the championship, which saw around 300 players participating. State Netball Association President S. Najimuddin distributed prizes to the winners. Milan A. Saju and Shilpa were adjudged the best players in the men's category, while Shilpa took home the best player award in the women's category. Nidhi from Thrissur and Aditya Chambai from Malappuram were recognized as the best players in the mixed netball category. Kerala's aquatic teams have been making a splash at the national level with impressive performances at the 51st Junior Water Polo Championship and the National Junior Swimming Championships. The state's junior women water polo team has retained its championship title. The Kerala Junior Girls Water Polo team dominated the championship, defeating Karnataka 14-8 in the final to retain their title. This marks a hat-trick of victories for the team, showcasing their exceptional skills and teamwork. Safwa Sakir was adjudged the best player of the tournament. In the boys category, Kerala's junior team improved their standing by winning the bronze medal, defeating Karnataka 15-10. In swimming, Kerala finished 9th in the National Junior Swimming Championship with a total of 16 medals, 1 gold, 8 silver and 7 bronze. RSC swimmers Alagananda Raju and Hannah Elizabeth CO brought glory to Kerala by winning a total of 8 medals, including 5 silver and 3 bronze medals at the championship. Alagananda Raju excelled in breaststroke events, winning silver medals in the 50-meter and 200-meter categories and a bronze medal in the 100-meter category, in addition to a silver medal in the 4x100-meter medley relay. Hannah Elizabeth CO impressed in freestyle events, claiming silver medals in the 800-meter and 1,500-meter categories, a bronze medal in the 400-meter category and a silver medal in the 4x200-meter freestyle relay. Shreya Binil shone in the 50-meter backstroke event, winning gold in the girls Group 2 category. Other notable performances include Christian Sojan's silver in the girls 200-meter freestyle category and Jose Nijo Kotor's bronze in the 50-meter backstroke event. The Kerala girls relay team also won silver in the 4x200-meter freestyle category. Now let's move on to sports in shorts. Kochi is set to host the all-age group aerobic gymnastics national championship 2025, scheduled to take place from September 8 to 10 at the Kadamandara Indoor Stadium. This highly anticipated event will bring together talented gymnasts from across the country, representing various states and age groups to compete at the national level. S. Rajiv, Secretary General of the Kerala Olympic Association and the President of the Kerala Aquatics Associations and International Swimming Official of World Aquatics, has been appointed to the Technical Swimming Committee of World Aquatics. The proud announcement was made at the World Aquatics Congress held in Singapore, a historic moment for the country and state. Rajiv is the second Indian to reach this position after Virendra Nanavati. Rajiv has achieved this feat through a distinguished career spanning over 3 decades. He has been a senior member of the Swimming Federation of India and an international technical official of World Aquatics since 1988. He has officiated at the Olympics and World Championships 3 times each, as well as several international competitions such as the Asian Games, Commonwealth Games, Asian Indoor Games, World University Games and East Asian Games. He is from Punnapuram, Pirappangoda, Thiruvananthapuram. Kerala Hockey conducted its annual general body meeting at Trivandrum, bringing together key stakeholders and officials to discuss the association's progress and future plans. The meeting was attended by prominent dignitaries, including President V. Sunil Kumar, General Secretary C.T. Soji, Senior Vice President Arun Unithan and Treasurer Niaz K. The AGM provided a platform for reviewing the association's activities, addressing key issues and outlining strategies for the upcoming year. With a focus on promoting hockey in Kerala and nurturing talent, the meeting deliberated on various initiatives and programs aimed at taking the sport to new heights in the state. That's all for last week. See you next time with more sports news. This is me, Rukmini, in Sports Bus. Catch us next week. Don't miss the action.